Colin here with Max Tie Downs to introduce a long-awaited part. This is an axle housing tie-down bracket. It's intended to be welded directly to your axle tube, replaces the need for an axle strap, avoids brake lines, ABS wires, vent tubes, anything else that might be in the way that runs on top of the housing, and in other cases provides the perfect amount of real estate necessary so you're not scrunching the strap, putting an axle strap where it has no business being. We've designed this part to be as low-lying as possible. It's fabricated on a tube laser as well, so the 90-degree bends in the bracket are factory right from the tube. There's no press brake operation. This is designed to perfectly accept our twisted snap hook and be as low-lying as possible. It's as simple as cleaning off a spot on your housing, welding that in place, and now you've got the perfect place to attach the Max tie down to. Today we're going to show this in place on a 9-inch housing in the back of a 66 Cyclone, a 9-inch Ford housing in the back of a 70 Ford pickup with a Roadster shop chassis, a banjo style rear end on a 1940 Ford, and we're actually going to weld some in place on the back of a Curry Rock Jock 60 on an old rock crawler that's hanging out here. So stay tuned for more. Order these today. You're going to love them. MaxTieDowns.com or 800-666-1586.